one of our sponsors. Okay, sabay-sabay tayo. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, for the next thing natin sa food, meron tayong draw ramen kanina. Sobrang lambot, magandang quality. Visit na kayo sa page pag may kayo kayo. Group, message nyo lang sa page, palaro tayo sa team nyo.
Away-away na. Di ba kasi... Di ba?
Yan. The show must go on. So, lahat ng players natin. 369, kapag yung number na babanggitin ko, yung... Okay. So, pag yung number na babanggitin ko, so yung number na is 649. Ibig na babanggitin yung number, kailangan mag-clap kayo. Okay?
Sorry.
Yes. So, halimbawa, 1, 2, yung team, yung pwede pagkitin. So, yung number na team. So, mag-clap kayo. So, yung number of claps, pwede. Yung number of claps, depende kung ilan yung digit ng 3, 6, or 9. So, ibig sabihin, pag 33 tayo, dalawa, 63, dalawa, 336, 333. Okay, yes? Pwede tayo? Bawal lang
announce ko lang yung winner namin today for the Take a Selfie with a Barbie contest. The winner with the most likes for the day is
Miss Kyokyo, pwede niyo po i-claim again yung 1 box of acai berry extract with collagen and Bacopa Moneri. Facebook page nila, pwede niyo din po i-claim tomorrow. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Alright. Reminders po ulit na our bingo will start at 7:30. So, visitor kayo or sponsor and you have the bingo card dated for reminder lang din po na yung bingo cards natin, it is only valid for day 1. So, if you want to join our bingo game for tomorrow, so ayan, it's a free for all bingo for everyone. Please visit po yung mga iba-ibang mga booth natin. May mga artist booth, may mga merch. Ayan, kompleto yan. Also din po pala, second floor yung photographer's area natin. So meron po doon kung gusto nyo magpa-shoot, you're a cosplayer, natin located sa second floor. Pwede rin silang walk-in in preparation for the bingo game later at 7:30. Thank you very much po, Angela.
Cloud Stripe. Diba? Parang weird yung proportion niya lagi.
then add 1. Okay, for example, category natin is number. First player, give. Verify pa ba how? Combination. Okay, example, isang player ito ah. Kung pinagin to, ang category natin single digit number. So mag-start daw kay Rupi. Ulitin mo natin na mag-ito na. The next player, kailangan mo natin 1, 2, 5, 6, 8, 7 number. So get start. Next. Okay, game. Kaya na ito ha. Mag-start tayo. Pag-nagkaroon yung eliminated na. So, first up.
Mas maganda, yung may gantong setup mo yung dami ba din? Hindi ba power yun? Hindi siya nakiklik ng photo.